Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll tell you how to use vanilla gift card on AliExpress. Open AliExpress application on your phone and go to your account at the bottom right. Now find section that says payment, that basically looks like wallet icon, and now you see section cards, and press add new card button, and now fill in all information about your card. So it's card number, name on card, expiration date, and of course your CVV number. Then save it at the bottom side of the screen. And now let's go to some item that I want to order. Let's proceed to checkout page, and now we want to scroll down to payment method section, and now basically select your Visa gift card that you have entered all information about. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.